Are you health conscious? Want to fry without or less oil? Or doctor has advised or prescribed not to eat oily food? Then this is the right video for you. Then MI air fryer will do the job efficiently and conveniently with 90% less oil in frying food. First, quick look on the highlighted features of this air fryer, then we'll unbox the product. Temperature range is 40 to 200 degrees centigrade, fry, defrost and ferment. For 40 degree to 80 degree temperature range, the fan RPM is 1800 RPM, and for 80 to 200 degree, this is 2600 RPM. Up to 24-hour cooking time, offering you more food options. Save time with faster heating options. More than 100 smart recipes. Smarter cooking with voice control. Pull out the basket to power off. Put the basket back to resume. Extra oil will be separated out from your food and will be collected at the bottom of the basket. Interact with the OLED screen, simple and visual. Maximize cooking space with exclusive steel grill. Wear resistant non-stick and durable basket. And with many more exclusive and interesting features. Now let's quickly unbox. This is the box pack of Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer 3.5 liter white. Highlighted features are written. Already I have told you. This MI Air Fryer not only compatible with MI Home but also Google Home. Once again the highlighted feature. MRP of the product is written 15,000 around but got the product only at 4,500 rupees around. In the box pack you will get warranty card, instruction manual. If you get time, read it, otherwise watch the video, you'll get all the information. This is the steel grill for extra layer for maximizing space inside the air fryer. And this is the main unit, MI Air Fryer White. Xiaomi branding is written on the top of the air fryer. And this is the touch sensitive power on as well as power off button, power plug, control knob with OLED display, 3.5 liter non-stick wear resistant basket with convenient heat resistant handle. You can add this steel grill for extra layer of food inside the air fryer. At the bottom of the basket you can see removable frying plate or deep tray. It has non-stick coating for effortless cleaning. Dual layer PTFE non-stick coating making the basket wear resistant and easy to clean. Now I'll show you the heating coil inside the air fryer. This net-like structure or the grid guard will prevent any contact with the heating pipes. 360 degree heated air circulation ensures 90% less oil in frying recipes. Now let's connect the power plug and touch on the power on button. First I'll show you manual mode and then the Wi-Fi mode. In Wi-Fi mode you can control air fryer remotely via MI Home app. You can also disable Wi-Fi if it is not required. Besides the manual mode, there are total 8 preset menu that can be changed by rotating the knob. In manual mode, you can change your temperature according to your wish. Suppose this is 180 degrees centigrade and the time is 15 minutes, it is written. But you can change it by rotating the knob right or left. In this way, you can see here. This is one of the preset menu, that is the French fries. Among the 8 preset menus, you have to set half or full layer, then click on that. And time will be shown to you. You can change the time by rotating the knob also here. At any time of the cooking, if you pull out the basket, then it goes to power off or pause mode. Put the basket back to resume. As already we have selected the French fry menu, so I have cut some potato in that shape and I will show you how this menu can be made in the air fryer. At the midway of the cooking, the air fryer will tell you to shake the food. Now the French fries are ready and I have tasted these French fries, really awesome. First time I was surprised how is the frying is done without oil. Now let's come to the Wi-Fi mode. If you want to activate the Wi-Fi mode, then you have to take one hotspot which is available in your home. Download and install MI Home in your smartphone. Follow the instruction and connect your air fryer with your smartphone via the available hotspot in your home. Once the connection will be successful, then you will be able to control the air fryer remotely. And in online, there are more than 100 menus are available which can be remotely you can control from your smartphone. As for example, suppose if you choose chicken wings in the smartphone, then that menu can be activated in the air fryer then and there. Now you can prepare hot chicken wings for you on your own, just returning from office. Awesome. After purchasing the product, I have tried chicken wings and really I am now fond of MI air fryer. Chicken has been marinated for a few hours with spices, but I have not added any oil with this chicken. So 0% oil, and I was surprised with its taste, and even excess fat from the chicken has been collected as oil in the drip tray. So first buy it and then try on your own at your home. Quantity of the food we have selected full because 2 layers are there. After completion, one notification will shown in your LED screen. If you need more frying, then you can increase the time and temperature in the control knob. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.